Welcome back. I'm going to be showing some of the back bend or back bridge tutorial as a beginner. So make sure you stick around till the end so that I can show you how you can become like this. So as you can see, you can become like this in just a couple of weeks, and you can turn again how you can do this. You see it? You can walk around, you can come around, and you can do any style you wish. So this is it. So let's start. First thing first, you have to train your spine. Training your spine is the most difficult thing that you are seeing. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to start step by step so that you can see how the spine is trained. So to train your spine, you have to start it fresh. Maybe every day you do a little bit, and this is how I was able to manage it, because it took me almost a couple of months before I was able to do this. But in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can get it even less than months or 2 months if possible. Alright, it depends on the way you want to train, or it depends on the time that you have for yourself. So make sure you like the video so that YouTube can post our content, and you subscribe so that you will not miss any of my weekly videos. So anytime I drop a new video like this, you can see it. Alright, so let's start it. Let's get started without wasting any more time. So first, you have to train this spine. Alright, so to train this spine requires you to do a little bit effort. Maybe you can warm up as I do in other of my channels. You can do warm up, maybe 2-3 minutes warm up. You can do that. Once you warm up a little bit, it's going to give you, it's going to give your muscle strength to relax inside. So if you just come straight, you want to do it like that, sometimes it doesn't work like that, you understand? So this is what I normally tell people most of the time. So flexibility needs something like, let me just give it a time to build up. So you cannot just come out one day and then start doing it. Most of the channels are telling you can do it in 1 week or 2 days or 3 days. So that one is not possible from my own experience. You understand? So what we are going to be doing is, we are going to train this spine, as I said. So to train this spine, you have to take it step by step. So the step-by-step training of the spine can take more than a week or 2 weeks sometimes. All right, we are going to start by training these sides. After, we can train the other side. So to train this side, we're going to have something like this. One, you can hold this one for some seconds. You can go 2, all right, 3, 4, 5. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that? So come to stage 2. 1. You see that? 2. You see that? 3. You see that? 4, 5. The same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time around, let's go straight. See that? You hit the ground, and you're gonna hold it here. And you see, you can come up and sit down like this. Do any style and get up. You see that? So please make sure you like and subscribe the video.